guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Frankie van der Merwe, but the guys they call me Aluminium.
Cut! That is not how things are supposed to start. But anyway guys, so in tonight's video, or tonight, whatever, we are gonna do part 1 of the SideHustleGarage makeover video. So yeah. Oh, and I obviously forgot to say, we painted the one section of the garage, and I also built this rack here for my wheels to stand on. Not my wheels, but customers' wheels. The wheels don't have to lay on the floor like it is laying there. So yeah, trying to do some space saving. I'm not really good at that. It's going to be my first time doing some space saving in the garage. But yeah, I'm quite excited for this actually. I don't think there's anything else to say. Yeah. Okay, so that's basically how the garage is looking at the moment before we do any further work. So the whole plan is basically to make the garage black for better filming purposes. No man, that doesn't sound. Okay, right, so it is day 2 of trying to get the garage in order. So yeah, this is what it looks like at the moment. As you guys have seen, I would like to paint this corner next, so I'm gonna have to move this whole stand. I'm gonna paint the stand, paint this corner, and then hopefully if I get enough time, I'm gonna start working on that corner. So right, let us get straight to it.
In the right place to move, in the right place for you. Always stay up all night, watch the neon light.
Okay, now that the cupboard in the corner has been moved, everything has been packed over there. The shelf is standing here, so now I can just sweep a little bit here. I should probably move those wheels there though, before they get any dirt and dust. So yeah, time to just clean this corner, prep this for paint. And I also noticed there's a hole in my t-shirt. Don't ask me how that happened. I only figured that out once I had the t-shirt on a few minutes ago. Yeah!
Don't say you can't, 'cause you can. Stop worrying. Try to forgive, 'cause we all are suffering. Yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win. No. You're trying hard to pursue a dream that's not your own. Don't care about what they expect you to be, 'cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright.
Bliksem! Yo, bliksem.
Don't close your eyes, 'cause we are not alright. Alright. Sticking our heads, thinking.
Wait, aren't you supposed to water this down? Oh well, I'm just gonna use it as is. Get some dirt and grime off. Lekker day, man.
You find the end of the rainbow.
I'm not gonna worry about the top because I can't really see the on top. So okay, but it looks clean-ish. This is dusty. This is all dirt and grease and grime on here. So I'm just gonna let this work its way into the dirt a little bit. Then, and in the meantime, I can perhaps start painting here in the corner, quick.
Don't care about what they expect you to be. Cause when you find out what that really means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown. Cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads, they can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, cause we are not alright. Alright. Stuck in our heads, they can't find a way out. Way out. Don't close your eyes, cause we are not alright. Don't close your eyes, cause we are
Okay, so that side of the corner has just been finished painted. Actually, not that nicely done, but oh well, it is what it is. It's a garage. It just needs to look a little bit better. But nevertheless, I still think it looks quite cool. Why I opted for the black is it's better for filming in the garage. Also, obviously, we're gonna have to do something about the lights at a later stage. Put some more LEDs on the side, perhaps some branding. What I always always wanted was branding, like Advent branding, Yokohama, like those kind of flags that hangs from the ceiling downwards. That's what I always wanted. But we'll get there. We'll get there piece by piece. So I should probably now tackle this section over here. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in time, but let's see. Okay, right, so just to give you guys a quick update from earlier, all the stuff was here, so we're just gonna remove the shelf. The cupboard is being moved. We're gonna just sweep here quick. There's a lot of stuff laying here though. So yeah, and I put most of the stuff back onto the shelf. It's already looking nice though. I really love it though. I like it a lot. So I'm just gonna clean that side quickly, remove the shelf, and then start painting this side. I'm really loving this yellow contrast here. I've got a couple of these black and yellow number plates. For those that doesn't know, CCN is actually for the old Utenag. Not that I actually know it, because by the time CCN was still in, I wasn't even born. But yeah, so let us get started on this section. Funny, are you ready, my guy? Are you ready? He's ready with his winter gloves. Right, so the whole wall is of this section of the garage is now black. So, and also I found a random downlight in the garage. So we're just gonna see how would it look if we have to plug it in over there and have it shine down there, just to see, get an idea of what is clapping. Let us plug him in and see how it's gonna look. Oh yeah. A hooter en een toeter en een waterscooter. Oh yeah. I just need to do this space, but it's a bit of a tight spot to get it painted there, but I'll do that tomorrow. So yeah, but other than that, I'm actually really loving this space. It's really looking good, honestly. That space just needs to be touched up there again. There's a bit of a white still coming through, but nothing major though. I'm really loving this downlight actually. It really creates some young type of vibe though, and I'm actually really loving this black wall. It looks really sick. I really don't want to put anything else against the wall because it looks really nice like this, but unfortunately we have to put the cupboard back. But if anybody has any other decent looking cupboards for us, please let us know. If you want to throw your old cupboards away, or if you're willing to donate some, what is it, that cupboards they have at school, those metal cupboards we check, if we can get some cupboards like that. And then the side now needs to be tackled because it's looking like very rubbish when the other side is looking quite nice now. But yeah, all in a day's work. Okay, not necessarily in a day's work, but y'all know what I mean. But I'm really loving the setup so far. It's looking, honestly, it's looking really good. Anyway, okay, right, so that side of the wall is now completely painted, besides for that piece over there, which we will cover eventually. But everything is basically packed, not the way we wanted it, but I have wheels that needs to be refurbished. This car needs to be prepped for paint and whatever, so we're gonna leave the garage as it is like this for now, finish up some work, and then you have to get to the car. So this is basically it for now. At least we started on the garage refurb, makeover thing, whatever you would like to call it. So yeah, there is a couple of things I do still want to do and want to get these other nicer cupboards, more cupboards for tools to hang, because this is just not looking good. So we need to get more cupboards. If anybody has cupboards that they would like to get rid of, please let me know. We can come collect it, paint it black or whatever, just to make it look a bit nicer. Perhaps make a extra stand on top of that for more wheels to hang on and whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for more of the garage work. Same time.